Hi, this is Jeremy Barber, and I'm going to show you my online instructional unit. I use an LMS called Blackboard. It is brought to us by our district, so let me show you that. Every student has a login to Blackboard, and most of all their classes, probably about 90% of their classes, are on Blackboard now. Next year, it is a requirement in our district to be on Blackboard. So when the students log in, they'll see their classes over here on the right. I obviously have some classes where I'm a teacher and a student in there. And when they log on, this is what they'll see. I made my online unit on Quadratics. They have all their files over here, their pages. Right now in class we're working on exponential, and then we did statistics and probability earlier this year. So I chose to do mine on Quadratics, something we're working on later. That way it's already done for me. Over here also we have ACT prep links that they can go to, a graphing calculator, Khan Academy videos if they need extra help. So when I click on it, this is what they see. I have my outline as the first thing I have listed. It has my syllabus in there, has all my objectives posted. It'll download it for them, and there's my objectives. I chose to break mine down into these things called standards because in Algebra 2 right now we are working on an SBL program where the Common Core is broken down into standards for them to cover, and students must pass all the standards, or a few of them we call criticals, to pass the class. Another thing I have in my outline is the survey that you guys took if you looked at my online unit, also a curriculum map that we made. Also, I have a discussion board in here if students want to put questions in there or talk to each other about other things. I just included it. They don't have to use it. And then I have all my lessons broken down into lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and so on. I had a total of 9 lessons to cover 7 standards. So if we go into the first one, this is usually what you'll see. You'll see the notes that they can download. I open up in a PDF because all of our students have iPads, and they have an app called Type on PDF, and so they can download the notes on their iPad and then annotate over them, write over them, type over them, whatever they have to do the notes. I always have a warm-up. Here was a YouTube video from October Sky, and then they continue. So students see this on their iPads, they can write over it or do whatever they have to take the notes. Another thing I have is a video. So the video is me talking to the notes or doing the notes. So we can take a watch here.
Hello everyone, Mr. Barber here. Today we're going to start the quadratics unit in Algebra 2. The quadratics unit is
so they
broken
can fast
into
forward.
7 standards.
If they want to, they can pause. Here's our warm-up video. Let's say they didn't get something, they can go back, watch it,
now,
do whatever they want.
We would say.
So that's always included in every lesson. Also here I included a web page for graphing on the TI Inspire on the iPad. And then they'll see their homework that they can download, and they can print them off, write on them. If they want, they can convert it to a PDF and then use Type on PDF to write on them and then submit them. I didn't have a real way to submit them at first. I'm still working on that. I don't want to do email because my email will just blow up. So I'm thinking of a way on Blackboard how to submit them. Another thing I want to show you is our online quizzes. So let's see, we'll go to lesson 4, standard 2. At the end of each standard you'll see a quiz. The quiz is all on Blackboard. It is a time quiz, and they're usually just real short, 5-10 questions. Here's one where they can type in the answer. I have ones where they can do multiple choice, true and false. You can do all sorts of ones. You can even upload, pictures, tables like this. If you have to have some sort of picture, maybe a graph or something, you can put it on there, and then they can submit them on that. The nice thing about this is they're all graded for me, so I just need to take this grade book into our other grade book that we use for Power Teacher, and it's all done. In case you're wondering, what I'm using to record this is this application right here called Snagit. Snagit's real nice. It's what I use to make my videos for my notes, and it uploads them as MPFs. You can upload them to YouTube, or I could upload them straight to Blackboard, which was the real nice thing. So this is my online unit. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any further questions, you can always just leave a comment or email me. Thank you.